Railways has released a statement on the tragedy on what led to this blind spot, saying that the flasher light had been turned on as per the rules and the curvature obstructed visibility, and the pilots tried to avoid the incident. They tried their best but could not avoid it. These are the details that have come in from the Railways. Sabyasachi joining us with the details and the statement being issued by the Railways. Sabyasachi, questions also were being raised on how is it that the passengers hit a blind spot. What are the details? How has the Railways explained the unfortunate accident?
Well, see, Pratibha, at this particular time, the railway, in its initial investigation, what the railways have put out is that after the Pushpak Express was stopped because of alarm chain pulling, now, following the procedure, the driver of the Pushpak Express immediately turned on the flasher as per the rules. Now, from the opposite direction, the Karnataka Express, which was coming, the pilot of the Karnataka Express also seen the flasher and he also applied the brakes. But because of the curvature of around 2 degrees that was present at that particular spot, which reduced the visibility as well as reduced the distance between the two trains, and because of this curvature creating obstruction in the visibility, it also reduced the visibility of the passengers of the Pushpak Express, and that is the time when this unfortunate incident had taken place. Meanwhile, the railway says that the pilot of both the trains have tried their hard efforts to stop this incident, but because of the curvature and the blind spot which was present out there, reducing the visibility, and that was a major reason why the passengers could not see the Karnataka Express coming in from the opposite direction.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with those details, Sabyasachi. In fact, we have more reactions apart from the statement that has come in from the Railways on what led to the accident and what had happened, the unfortunate tragedy that has now come to light.
सरकार से ये अपील करेंगे जो परिवारों में ये हुआ है उनको मदद दी जाए।
क्या आर्थिक रूप से जख्मी को
आर्थिक रूप से मदद की जाए?
केंद्र सरकार को आप क्या अपील करेंगे?
आर्थिक रूप से मदद की जाए और मुझे लगता है कि ये घटना बहुत ही हृदय को हिलाने वाली घटना है।
सर, क्या ऐसा बताया जा रहा है कि वहाँ पे अफवाह हुई थी, लेकिन सच में वहाँ पे आग लगी थी या अफवाह थी?
अफवाह ही थी।
We are breaking updates now coming in the Jalgaon train accident. More details have come in. The opposition, meanwhile, continue to slam the Maharashtra government. The opposition in Maharashtra is gunning for both the centre and the state over the issue of the railway safety. The state Congress chief, Nana Patole, has spoken about the efficacy of Kavach, a train protection system that automatically applies brakes if the loco pilot does not respond, although so far it doesn't look like it could have played a role in the case.
जो आंकड़े हमारे सामने आ रहे हैं कि 24-25 लोग उसमें मृत हो चुके हैं। हाल ही में आप देख रहे हो कि मोदी जी की सरकार जब से आई है देश में, तब से रेलवे के एक्सीडेंट बड़े पैमाने में बढ़ते जा रहे हैं और ये लगातार होते जा रहे हैं। सरकार मोदी जी की घोषणा करती है कि हम अब योजना लाएंगे, अब किसी की जान जाएंगी नहीं, निरपराध लोगों की मृत्यु नहीं होगी। कवच नाम की योजना लाई, कितना उपयोग इसमें हो रहा है ये भी स्पष्ट हो रहा है।